Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient involved in tissue repair, collagen formation, and producing certain neurotransmitters such as dopamine, norepinephrine, and epinephrine. Vitamin C also works as an antioxidant to protect body cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin C quenches and neutralizes free radicals and inhibits body cell damage caused by free radical attacks. Vitamin C helps the body absorb iron, the essential trace mineral, from plant-based food. Vitamin C helps keep capillary walls and blood vessels firm and protects us from bruising. Vitamin C helps human gums to remain healthy and prevents bleeding. In addition, vitamin C helps heal cuts and wounds. Vitamin C is required for carnitine biosynthesis. Carnitine is critical in energy production. Next, we will talk about vitamin C foods.